So we've all had this experience before. Somebody gives us an investment tip or we hear of something that's the hot new thing. In the stock market, there are some steps you can take to analyze whether or not this is a viable investment or not. In the crypto market, it's the same way, but there's some key differences. Let me go into them right now. So if you're thinking about a new crypto invest in, the first thing you should look at is the white paper. Now the white paper is an outline of what the token or the new coin will be used for and how it will be distributed. Next, you want to look at their Telegram channel. Telegram is a messaging app that's available on your desktop or your mobile phone, and you can simply search for that coin on Telegram and see how many people are following it and what are they saying. And you want to make sure it's not just people talking about making money in the coin. You want to see that it solves a real-world problem and has big plans. Next is the issuance schedule. Now, we looked at this at coinmarketcap.com. The issuance schedule is how many coins or tokens available right now versus how many will be available in the future. And this is to make sure that there is some type of scarcity value to it. You don't want to buy any crypto assets that only have 25% of their tokens issued now with another 75% or even more in the future. There'll be no scarcity value. And lastly, you want to think about the decentralization edge. What is the problem that this token or coin is trying to solve? And what is the market for it right now? Can this market be disrupted and can it be decentralized? And if you follow all 4 of these bullet points, you'll have a great way to analyze a new crypto asset idea. So that concludes our section on alternative to physical crypto assets. Now you should be able to make use of alternative crypto asset investments.